Congratulations for having this innovation.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, sir, I have a very few concerns with respect to your innovation.
Yes, sir.
Actually, sir, kanami sa mo innovation, sir, no? 12:30 learning habit. Kaso lang, sir, do 3 o'clock prayer bala, sir. 12:30 learning habit, do kumbaga mo na ning time nga pagabitayon na ka. Joke. Something like that. Anyway, sir, balik na, sir, sa imo, sir, nga innovation.
Yes, sir.
Very effective ang imo nga innovation title. 12:30 learning habit. Pero, sir, hindi lang anay, sir, supuni, sir, sa dalom sa
Yes, sir.
an effective tool for reading level improvement of grade 5 learners because based on the results, sir, wala ta na met ang aton nga goal nga
Yes,
maging
sir.
effective ang 12 learning habit. Nevertheless, sir, anong naghatag sa imo, sir, sang idea nga effective yun man ang 12:30 basig ipang gutom na tong mga bata, sir?
No, sir. Actually, sir, as SLRC coordinator, sir, I challenged myself to maximize the utilization of the SLRC because in the past, sir, we are used to see SLRC nga do with silence. Do ka balaan bala sa sir nga lugar. So with the 12:30 learning habit, do nangin gahod ng SLRC damo na learners nga naga-engage hindi lang, sir, sa mga reading materials but as well as different learning materials nga present inside the SLRC, sir.
Okay, sir. Since innovation is a product of research, sir, maybe perhaps you can provide literature
Yes, sir.
nga nagahambal, sir, nga effectiveness, sir, ang 12:30.
Sir.
Something like that. Because kung makahatag ka, sir, sang literature, it would be okay. Nga may ara na gali, no? May mga proof na gali nga nagahambal nga ang 12:30 is nami siya para maka-learn ang bata. Pero, sir, so far, sa pag-conduct ni mo, sir, sa imo innovation, wala pa may nalipong?
Why,
ang mga
sir?
bata?
We are presumed, sir, I'm presuming that they have already eaten their lunch and some of them, instead of, kumbaga, sir, with due respect to the learner's time, ang 30% na, sir, kumbaga, ginhatag ko na, okay, this, from 12 to 12:30, they are playing. So, 12:30 up to 1 o'clock, they are supposed to be learning. So, muna, sir, ang idea, sir.
So, hindi ka siya, that is actually the intended time for them to eat their lunch or
Okay.
something like that.
11:30,
Sige,
sir.
So, talking about 12:30 learning habit, ano na siya, sir, a follow-up class or a remedial class?
A remedial, sir. And,
Okay.
do ara siya, sir, in between.
Sige, sir. Kaya muna nang gusto ko, sir, i-clarify Kaya kung follow-up class siya, na klase ka, ginlamon mo ang time sa other subject or something like that. Pero kung remedial class siya, so dira mo siya gin-set sa
Yes, sir.
12:30. Okay. Sige, sir. Last na langgit, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is actually a significant result as to your pre-test and your post-test.
Yes, sir.
But always take note, sir, there should be a baseline data when we talk about figures. For example, sa board exam, always ginalantaw naton ano ang national passing rate. Daso mahambal ta, ay, above ang ininga school sa national passing rate. So looking upon your figures in English, for example, sa pre-test and your post-test, though there is actually a significant increase by 44% in instructional and 31% in independent, but still, they
Yeah,
are
sir.
below
Yeah,
than the 50%.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, maybe perhaps you can reflect, sir, kung ano naman ang imo-himuon sini, sir. Basi hasta na sa launa ang imo, sir, nga remedial
We are,
class.
sir, we are emphasizing, sir, the gradual development or improvement, sir.
Okay.
We cannot readily or easily acquire the target, sir. It's
Sige.
the learner's pace, sir.
Anyway, sir, there is actually a very good result
Thank you,
in
sir.
Filipino, which is 89 and 80% increase. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And congratulations
Thank
in
you, sir, and
advance.
you're welcome.